Today we're reviewing a Bachmann Spectrum DCC and Sound equipped EM1. Welcome to Sleeper Reviews. This is a 2884 style Yellowstone type locomotive. It's Baltimore, Ohio. Pardon my English here, pardon my mess up. It's got the single headlight on the front end. On the smoke box door, it's got the B&O Capitol Dome, brass bell, plenty of separately applied detail parts. I bought this used. I jumped on it, had to. I got plans for it. Other brass detail parts as well on it. You got the whistles, you got the air bellows, I guess. It's a nicely done locomotive. Cab number 7629. You can look inside and you can see the cab figurines in there, cab details are in there. It's really nicely done. I'm actually kind of impressed. So, y'all ready to hear what it sounds like? Let me turn my track power on. Here goes nothing with track power. Bell. Horn, whistles. Long whistle. Short whistle. It's got other sounds as well. Headlights bright. I like that. I like obnoxiously bright headlights. Cool thing is, it's got a reverse light too on the back of the tender. When you change gears, you can actually hear the gear shifter moving. I got this for, I think, about $350. Can't remember the exact price, which is a really good price on these because normally people are selling them for $450, $500 and above, and they're hard to find. You can find them in brass. They're even higher in price. So, without further ado, see what she sounds like when she's moving forward. It's got a double chuff. It's got brake squeal. The chuff seems really light for being a heavy articulated locomotive. Thinking that the DCC might get ripped out. Now, the cool thing with this is when you got it in reverse, the forward headlight stays illuminated but dim, and the rear headlight comes on. So let's go in reverse. Doesn't sound bad, but the sound of it could be a whole lot better. It's got all metal wheels, no traction tires. She's heavy, so she should pull up quite a bit. Now with these, this one was sound ready, so whoever I bought this from got the aftermarket or the Bachmann Spectrum's sound module for this locomotive. It came ready to go to be installed. It was sound ready, like I said, DCC equipped, and speaker and everything was already pre-installed. It's a really nice locomotive. It took me forever to figure out what address it is. I contacted the seller to see if he programmed it, and apparently it's programmed to number 4. So I have to rectify that. Hopefully I can set it to the cab number with JMRI. It's been a while since I've done a review. I think since the last time I've done anything, I've been involved in a bad truck fire and I almost died. Lost my laptop, lost other things. Almost lost my cats, my life. But back to the subject matter at hand here. This locomotive is about 20 inches long from knuckle to knuckle. I'm very pleased with it. Again, I'm gonna turn the flashlight on because the lights in the sleeper here in this truck suck. You can see more of the detail like this. But she's a pretty locomotive. Like I said, I got plans for it. It needs to be dusted. It was dusty when I got it, but that's not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker. It runs, looks good, no missing parts. And it's predecessor to the railroad I model chassis system, the B&O side of chassis system. So this is a Baltimore and Ohio Railroad is the predecessor to the chassis system. It's when they merged with C&O and then they took over Western Maryland. But yeah, this is it. This is the Baltimore and Ohio EM1 by Bachmann Spectrum. All-wheel electric pickup, all metal wheels. It's got 2 sets of drives on it. Again, it's a 2884. It's a Yellowstone style locomotive. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great evening.